Okay, go.
Merry Christmas, kakabsat. Kumusta kayo ta? Happy New Year, nabayagan, 2 years in, pangako yun sa akin nalangsin, nabanglesen. So kapangkasyo, tulungan da. Kailangan nyo may improvements, papintasik nito. Promise ko, kailangan nyo may kadot improvements na to yan.
Ano ba inihingi mo? What are you asking?
Yung pagbili ng video okay ko.
Saan mo gagamitin yun? Anong improvement? Yung proceeds, yung returns?
Basta house improvements.
So 50% of the profits will go to house improvement.
Okay, yes, promise ko sa inyo. Makikita man ninyo, meron ng kanyan. Kahit hindi ko pa sa akin yung video okay, hindi pa sa akin. Nakita nyo, may improvements na. Okay. Improvements na yan.
So recorded na promise yan, in video yan.
Oo, kanyan. Kanyan, ebidensya yan. Laban sa akin yan.
Okay. This is the house. From across the street. Emerson is over there. Now I'm approaching the house. All of you can remember, yun yung porch, ha? Yun yung porch. Ngayon, in-improve the Emerson. The garage, he made it into a
party, parang party.
Garden party environment. Ang dami yung mga ano dyan. Tapos may wall of the yun ang tinatawag na wall, 38 parallel wall, Berlin Wall. Anong istorya ba dyan sa Berlin Wall na yan? I don't know. But anyway, ito nag-improve na ata yung mga ito yung garden.
Papasemento ko, lalagyan ko ng mga umbrella type na mga upuan yan.
I-improve daw ni Emerson ito from garden with grass and grotto ata, whatever. Bakit? Kailangan mo ba ang yan? Improvement donation?
Bala ako na bala dyan.
Okay. Yun daw ang purpose, yung hingin niya na videoke, the proceeds of the videoke machine will go to improving the garden in front. Okay, good purpose yan, yung investment. Okay, so
nakita naman ninyo last time.
gumanda na ito. Ito na yung porch, okay?
Last time dito,
hindi ganito ng araw. Wala pang relo ngayon, may relo na sa taas. Okay. Okay, we're moving to the porch. Okay, as you can see, bawal ang naka-uniform, nakalagay ng sign. At saka, minors not allowed to drink, bawal ang naka-uniforme. Okay, so ito ngayon, you remember this place? Okay. Alam nyo yan, of course. Ito, yung palabas. Yun ang okay? This was the old sala converted to a billiard room. Of course, talala nyo yung na yan, parang CD na yung yellow na yan. I don't know what they call that. Ayan. Okay, so this is the old, one side. From the other side, ito. Look at this. Yun yung yung anong tawag yan, yung window na malaki natin, seeing into the porch. Okay. Ito yung den. Ito, may water, and of course, that's the bar, the movement bar ni to serve the people, yung mga kliyente niya, music, refrigerator, whatever. Computer na hindi gumagana, and mga store, okay? Mga pulutan yan.
2 years na! More than 2 years na ang pangako ninyo. Dapat nakabawi na ako yan.
This is the video room. Ito, dating kwarto mga boys ito. Converted to a video room. Ito pa yung mga dating yan. Cabinet natin nung araw. There were 4 of us here inside this room. Okay. Dito kwarto nila mamang, sina Janet. Dito kayo nagkwarto no? Ito yung altar. Nalala yung altar dyan. See? Memory lane ito. Memory lane. So, okay. Dapat reality. Okay. Children's room, kwarto na airpat saka airmat nung araw. Dito dresser ni airmat. Nandiyan pa. Okay. Now it's converted to a boys room, as you can see. Psychedelic pa. Ito yung kusina. Tingnan mo dito sa kusina nito. There were 10 people eating together with the stove with this kind of table. Paano nagkasya yan? See, okay. So now, ito yung tinatawag na dirty area, I don't know. Dito labasan, ito yung staircase, lumalabas si ano. Okay? How are you? Say hello to the camera. Hey, what's the meaning of that? Okay. Ito ngayon nasa likod, see? Ito yung likod natin. Nung araw may basketball court dyan. Ngayon may, they call that, Bahay Kubo. Ito, yun, basketball court. Okay. See? Yan, ha? Okay. Diyan ata yung toilet natin, yung nakikita nyo yung araw dyan. Where that big tree is standing. Yun, walang na tree, that corner. Kaya pala malaki yung tree. Very fertilized yung mga natin dyan, yung corner na yan. That's where we made. Ooh. Another part of the garage. Sigurado ko ba, Emerson, is still owned by us itong property na ito? Still owned by us itong garage?
Oo.
Sigurado ka?
May kwan yan eh. Nag-grand grab pa sila eh.